This is a short video regarding the Nilkin cover Super Froster Shield Pro for Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. Actually, I've been using it for the last few months, and I thought I'll give a quick review on this. This is quite good, actually, quite sturdy, and will serve the purpose. As you can see that it holds all the parts of the phone tightly. All corners are well binded, and you can see that if I open it, all the edges are perfectly fitted, and it is made for perfection, and it is quite sturdy. And it has a hinges opening here on the left side, which will automatically close when you close the screen. When you open the screen, it leaves like this, and I have done a drop test to see how good it is. You can see that it can handle all the pressures on the corner, and there is full protection for your camera as well, which will fully cover. And this one is actually a metal frame which fully get closed, and you can use the same for holding your phone as a stand like this for watching. As you see, it is quite useful, but while you open your phone, it is disturbing, as you cannot hold it. You cannot use the stand for the purpose. And also, one thing I find issue is like this is not quite convenient when you are looking forward to have a quick photo. Most of the case you forget about this cap, and you will start taking the video or photo, then you realize that you need to open this cover. So that is quite inconvenient, but otherwise it is a foolproof protection for your X Pro. It fully covers all the lengths. If you can settle with this inconvenience, then I would say that I would rate 7 out of 10 for this Nilkin Case. So that's it.